If you've ever applied for an apartment, a car loan, or even a phone plan and heard the words, "You don't have any credit history," yeah, I've been there too. Building credit from scratch feels like trying to get a job that requires experience. But you can't get experience without a job. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I built my credit fast, starting from zero. No shortcuts, no shady hacks. Just simple strategic steps that actually work. 1. Start with a secured credit card. When you have no credit, banks don't trust you yet. But a secured credit card changes that. Here's how it works. You deposit your own money, usually $200, $500, as collateral. That becomes your credit limit. You use the card, pay it off, and they report it to the credit bureaus. In less than 3 months, I had a real credit file. Use no more than 10 to 30% of your credit limit. That shows you're responsible. 2. Become an authorized user. This one's a game changer if you have someone you trust, like a parent, sibling, or close friend. They add you to their credit card account as an authorized user. You don't even need to use the card. Their good payment history boosts your credit file. Just make sure the account is in good standing. The issuer reports authorized users to credit bureaus. They trust you and vice versa. It's like getting a head start with training wheels. 3. Use credit but treat it like debit. The fastest way to hurt your credit? Overspending and missing payments. So I used my secured card only for things I already buy, like gas or Netflix, and paid it off immediately after. No balances, no interest, no surprises. It's not about how much credit you use. It's about how well you manage it. 4. Set up automatic payments. Payment history, 35% of your score. One missed payment can crush you. I didn't take any chances. I set up auto pay for the full balance every month. I also set calendar reminders a few days before my due date, just in case. Protect your on-time payment streak like it's your digital reputation, because it is. Step 5. Use Experian Boost. Here's a free trick I used, Experian Boost. It links your bank account and gives you credit for paying rent, utilities, streaming services like Netflix or Spotify. It doesn't work with all credit scores, but for Experian-based scores, it gave me a 20-point boost instantly. Every little bit helps when you're starting from scratch. 6. Open a credit builder loan. This one sounds backwards, but it works. A credit builder loan is when you make monthly payments first and get the money at the end. Why? It shows lenders you can make consistent payments. Your payments are reported to credit bureaus. You end up with both credit history and savings. I used a service called Self for this. It's beginner-friendly and all online. 7. Monitor your credit but don't obsess. I used free apps like Credit Karma to watch my progress. Don't worry if your score jumps or dips by a few points. Focus on the trend. Each month, I checked my score once, made sure payments posted, reviewed my credit usage. Think of it like a fitness tracker. It won't change overnight, but consistency compounds. In just 6 months, my credit went from no score to 695. I got pre-approved for a real credit card. I applied for an apartment with no co-signer. Not bad for someone who started with 0. I didn't need to be rich. I just needed to be smart. If you're just starting out, remember this. Credit isn't about money, it's about trust. Build it right, and it opens doors, apartments, jobs, even lower interest rates. And remember, credit isn't about chasing a perfect score. It's about building a solid foundation for your future. Whether you're dreaming of buying your first car, owning a home, or just getting approved without a cosigner, it all starts with the credit decisions you make today. Stick to the basics, stay consistent, and in a year, you'll look back and realize you've built more than just credit. You've built confidence. If this helped you, drop a comment, like, subscribe.